Keto Box. Here we go. Alright. We got keto cookie. Snickerdoodle. It's good stuff. 2 net carbs per serving. There's 2 servings. We got sea snacks. Roasted seaweed snack.
Thank you.
We got smart cake. Tangerine. Yeah, I'm giving those to her. We got tangerine smart cakes. I'll have to try that. We got some butter coffee. Cappuccino made with MCT oil. Protein in it also. It's only got 4 carbs in the whole bottle. 10 grams of protein. We have grass-fed beef stick. That's what you need. Grass-fed. It's the good stuff. No carbs, no sugar, 9 grams of protein. We got smoked paprika crunch. These are probably pretty great. These have 1 carb per serving. There's 3.5 servings in the bag. We got hot breakfast. Can't ever have oatmeal, so this will be great. And this one, which I was pretty excited about, if I can get this open. We're going to have to montage this to go faster. This one is the super greatness ketchup. You can never have ketchup. And now you can have ketchup. 2 carbs. Minus the sugar alcohol. So we've got 1 net carb in a tablespoon. You have 2 tablespoons of ketchup. 2 carbs. That's the best. Right. And that's the Keto Box. That was January's Keto Box. Are you ready?
Yeah, that's on.
Oh, okay. We got an unboxing here. Keto Box. Alright. Okay. We got keto cookie, snickerdoodle. Make some cookies. We got smart cake, tangerine. We got sea snacks.
Hold on.